Scientists have been scanning the cosmos for possible signals from alien civilizations for decades. But for over a century, humans have also been sending signals out from Earth that could be picked up by an alien beyond our planet. That is, if they're even looking in the right place for us. Some scientists even believe that any civilization with our level of technology could have seen us already. Before we continue, click that like and subscribe button. Let us know in the comments below, do you think aliens have already seen us? Back to the topic. New research has determined exactly which star systems have been or will be in a position to spot Earth and mark it as a potential home to intelligent life worth investigating further, or perhaps avoid altogether. In 2015, researchers found that 1,715 of these star systems have been in the right position to have spotted Earth passing in front of or transiting the Sun since human civilization got going about 5,000 years ago. The other 319 systems will move into a position with a line of sight to Earth over the next 5,000 years. The scientists further zoom in on 75 systems that have been in the ideal human spotting range called the Earth Transit Zone. Since commercial radio stations began sending broadcast signals into space that travel outward into the cosmos at the speed of light. So if someone or something in those systems is operating a radio telescope like one of ours, they might have already been enjoying some seriously old-fashioned radio dramas from Earth right now. The scientists also identify 7 of 2,034 star systems that are known to host exoplanets. These include Ross 128, a red dwarf star only 11 light-years away that is orbited by an Earth-sized planet. The world would have a view of Earth starting a little over 3,000 years ago, but it moved out of the observing zone about 900 years ago. The TRAPPIST-1 system is only 45 light-years from us and hosts a whopping 7 Earth-sized planets, including 4 in the habitable zone, but they probably aren't spying on us, at least not yet. Their path will move them into the Earth Transit Zone, where they could observe us, but not for 1,642 years. GJ9066, 2 giant planets orbiting a red dwarf star. It is 15 light-years away in the constellation of Cetus. They will enter the Earth Transit Zone in 846 years and remain in it for about 932 years. 3 star systems host exoplanets that should be able to view Earth right now and for hundreds of years to come. But all of them are over 200 light-years away, meaning our commercial radio signals have not physically yet reached them. On the scale of the entire Milky Way galaxy, this is still practically next door. The researchers hope that their work will help inform science using exciting new technology that's just around the corner, like the upcoming James Webb Space Telescope, or Breakthrough Starshot's plan to send a tiny spacecraft to check out the Alpha Centauri system and its known exoplanet just 4.2 light-years away. Stars with a vantage point from which they could see Earth transit the Sun could be priority targets for searches potentially habitable planets. It's also a reason to explore a region of space that's not so far been extensively searched for exoplanets. The ecliptic plane, a busy region that nevertheless appears to contain a lot of stars that can see us. The ecliptic plane has so far only been prodded by the now defunct Kepler Space Telescope's short-lived K2 mission, which is still proving to be a treasure trove for exoplanet discoveries. For the James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most advanced space telescope that will launch later this year, to study the atmosphere of an exoplanet, it would need to transit its star, allowing the telescope to detect light coming through the atmosphere. Now, let's talk a little bit about the Gaia mission by ESA, which is now mapping and characterizing more than 1 billion nearby stars just in the Milky Way. You might have not have heard about this mission, as it's not really gotten much attention, but its 8-year missions have been invaluable to astronomy and the search for exoplanets. Gaia aims to construct by far the largest and most precise 3D space catalog ever made, totaling approximately 1 billion astronomical objects, mainly stars, but also planets, comets, asteroids, and quasars, among others. And this data, with many other accurate calculations, can give us probabilistic planets and solar systems that can spy on us. Next time on Discover Zen, we will be discussing, should we be signaling our existence to alien life? Thank you so much for watching Discover Zen. Have a wonderful day, and until next time.